In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable touchpad in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable touchpad on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type control panel, click on control panel. By default, category view is showing. Click on the drop down menu here and select large icons. Now click on mouse. Here in mouse properties, click on touchpad tab. It's enabled, that's why enabled icon is disabled. Now click on disable to disable the touchpad. Now touchpad is disabled, and then click on apply and then click on OK. This is the easiest way to disable touchpad in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.